Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to draw and color Everest and Marshall from Paw Patrol. Oh no, Marshall is not feeling well. Let's cheer him up by drawing a super cute picture. Let's begin. First, I'll draw Everest. I'll start with her eyes. She looks a little sad because her best buddy is sick. Then, I'll draw her nose and her sweet little mouth. Next, I'll draw her hat right on top of her head. Now, let's add her two fluffy ears. Around her neck, I'll draw a collar with a pine tree symbol on it. Let's draw her body now. She's wearing her little backpack just like in the show. Then, I'll draw her tail and her legs. Now, let's draw Marshall. Her Marshall. He has a fever. He's wearing an ice pack on his head to cool off. I'll start with his head and draw his two floppy ears. Then, I'll draw his tired eyes. Poor pup. Next, I'll add his mouth. Look, he's holding a bone in his mouth. Oh no, Marshall really needs some rest. Use a black marker to color the spots on his face, just like a real Dalmatian. I'll also outline the whole picture to make it pop. Now it's coloring time, yay! First, I'll color their eyes sky blue. For the bone Marshall's holding, I'll use blue. Let's color this part green dot dot dot. And this area here will be orange. For Everest's fur, I'll use light purple and gray, just like in the show. Our drawing is almost finished, so exciting. Great job, everyone! If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time, bye-bye!